A little bluebird was born in the nest of a big tree. He grew fast. Why don't you go and learn how to fly with your brother and sister? Don't you wonder what is out there? His mother asked. Oh yes, but I'm a little bit afraid, the little bird answered. So while the other birds tested their wings, the little bluebird sat in the nest watching. At night, he could not sleep, imagining what might be out there beyond the trees. Mama, Mama, what is out there? He asked. Nothing, she said. Now go to sleep. Nothing, he wondered. And he could not stop thinking about it. The next morning, the little bluebird was gone, and everyone wondered what had happened. Nothing, nothing. Where is this nothing? The little bluebird thought as he walked away from his nest to the big tree. Is nothing high or is nothing low? Is nothing here or is nothing there? What does nothing look like? He came upon a pool of blue water. He looked like nothing he had ever seen before. But he did not know if this was the nothing he was looking for. What are you looking for? Someone asked him. Nothing, he answered. Surprised? Oh, come with me, said the green bird, and the blue bird joined him. Suddenly a flock of colorful birds came flying by. What are you looking for? They asked. Nothing, the green bird answered. Oh, come with us, they called. And the green bird spread his wings and flew up. The little blue bird forgot that he was afraid of flying. He too spread his wings and flew up to join them. They flew high, they flew low, they flew here and they flew there. How wonderful it is to fly, the little bluebird thought. Where have you been? What have you seen? Asked his brother and sister when the bluebird came back home. What happened to make you fly so well? Asked his mother. Nothing, said the bluebird happily, fluttering his wings. Tell us about it, please tell us, said his brother and sister. Okay, come with me, said the bluebird. And then they flew high, they flew low, they flew here and they flew there and they flew everywhere all together.